Where are you?
I'm behind you.
No, where are you now?
I don't know.
You don't know where you are?
This is not the e-lodge, this is the Great Wall Farm.
We have to sponsor the e-lodge. They're a new sponsor.
For the last time, this is not the e-lodge, this is the Great Wall Farm.
Can you move over? Oh my god.
Can you move over? Oh, you have to be quiet, lady. Okay, old lady.
Who's an old lady?
Huh? What?
Take it down with you. Theo here? Dewey.
Do you want me to? Oh my god.
We are
Yeah.
going on a circle one. I think it's called the Mammoth.
I have no clue.
And then you're gonna get me a beer.
What?
And then you're gonna get me a beer.
I'm gonna get you here?
Yeah.
I think I see a lady from TikTok.
Oh.
Only mammoth.
Should
I'm
I?
gonna do the woolly mammoth.
What's the hit a bunch of buttons. I don't even know what I pushed. Donna.
Yeah. Where's the handle?
What? Why would I want to do that? Have you seen our backyard? I don't think you could put a kiddie pool in our backyard. Where's Theo? You're done when you get home.
Dad, you gotta lean forward so you go faster. Dad, lean forward.
You lean back.
You lean forward to go faster.
No, lean back. That's good. What are you trying to do to me? Right up my nose.
I got water in my nose too.
Can we do green or no? Green? Oh, single ride. Can we go on yellow? We just went on blue. Yeah. Yep. Eagle Falls. London. Let me see your nacho. Oh yeah. Alright, London's gonna go for the big one here. He's going for the net. Think you're gonna make it first try? You gonna make it first try? My amigo Enrique. Anything you want to say before you go? Nothing? Oh, that's cheating. Don't make any awkward faces. I didn't think he was gonna do it, people, but he did it. Now I gotta buy him a slushie.
Yes, you do.
At 7-Eleven. Enrique says 15 seconds, so I'm gonna try and beat 15 seconds.
At least 15 seconds.
At least 15 seconds.
You think you're gonna beat it in 15 seconds?
I don't know. I give myself 30 seconds. I don't know where I'm in line. Time! 14 seconds. The new record.
How fast?
Not off to a good start. He's not off to a good start for the 14-second record, I guess. I just pulled off. Oh, he didn't make it. Come on, man. What do you have to say for yourself?
I need to go slow.
Go slow.
I
Any slower and maybe make you go backwards.
That was awesome.
Mexican amigo.
Keep with me. Keep with me.
About to go on a water slide here. Just waiting for my double tube. London's grabbing it. Busy here today. Here comes the tube. Blue tube is the Canadian vortex. Which is the big funnel. So we'll see how we make out with that.